Hey everyone, welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into a topic that can make your writing clearer, stronger, and more effective: active and passive voice. Let's start with a simple question: who is doing the action? That is what active and passive voice is all about. In active voice, the subject performs the action. In passive voice, the subject receives the action. To understand its definition, observe these examples. The chef cooked a delicious meal. A delicious meal was cooked by the chef. See the difference? In the first sentence, the chef is actively doing something. In the second, the meal becomes the focus. Let's look at how different tenses change in active and passive voice. Observe and learn the table thoroughly. So, when should you use active voice? Use active voice when you want to be clear, direct, and engaging, and when the subject is important. For instance, the teacher explained the lesson clearly. And when should you use passive voice? Use passive voice when the focus is on the action or result. The doer is unknown or unimportant. For instance, the roads were repaired last week. We don't know who repaired them. Want to change active to passive? Follow these steps. Identify the subject, verb, and object. Then move the object to the subject position. Afterwards, use the correct form of to be plus past participle. And finally, add by if needed. For example, in active, the company launched a new product. And in passive, a new product was launched by the company. Be careful with these mistakes. Don't overuse passive voice. It can make writing dull. Use the right verb forms. If clarity is needed, go for active voice. And now, it's your turn. Try converting these sentences into passive voice. Drop your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned in the description box, and we will get back to you if there is any correction. Hope you found this video helpful. Do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more awesome lessons. See you next time. Goodbye.